Hey guys, it's me again with another Amazon tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to add a Google Authenticator to your Amazon account. So what is a Google Authenticator? Just like any other authenticator, it is a two-step verification code to verify that if it's really you or if it's really the authorized person using the account. A two-step verification or authenticator is a way or another security measure added to prevent hackers or unauthorized access to your account. So just like Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, we can add this to your Amazon account as well to prevent people from getting your data, checking your privacy, and of course, doing unauthorized purchases. So how do we do it? First of all, we go to the upper right side of the screen, we press account. Upon pressing account, there will be a set of Amazon features here. So we will go to login and security. So after logging in security, just sign in with your Amazon password. So just put your PIN, just log in. So see, I also have that two-step verification, but I will show you how to activate it. So there we go through. So here we can add your mobile, just click not now. So afterwards, we can see here that I have a two-step verification code. So what will you gonna do if you don't have this, and so you will click manage. After clicking manage, I just selected my preferred method, which is SMS. But for you guys, will be an Google Authenticator. So we will go here and press add a new phone or authenticator app. So once we add the new core authenticator app, we just go to your mobile device, whether it's Google or App Store. But for this one is Google. So we will click Google and scan the barcode. Once you scan the barcode, you will just enter the OTP that is sent to you. Or afterwards, it will send a verify and OTP and it will continue. So we just scan by the barcode and it will open in the app. So afterwards, that's it. That's the complete setup of your two-step verification. After scanning the QR code, the OTP, you're good to go. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial and more tutorials to come.